How to fix switch account problem in Messenger. First, go to Settings. Scroll down until you find Apps. Using the search icon found on the top right corner, search for Messenger. Now scroll down and go to Storage, and on the bottom, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Go back, scroll up, and go to Permissions. So ensure that all permissions are allowed. So if not, just click on the permission and then set it to allow. Then check on the Messenger application and see if the issue has been fixed. If not, then go to Play Store or App Store, search for Messenger, and see if there's an update available. Now, after the application has been updated, check if the issue has been resolved. If not, then you can try restarting your phone by pressing the power button. So tap on Restart to restart your phone. And so that is how you fix switch account problem in Messenger. Thank you and have a great day.